Hi, I'm Sean with Amped Up Marine Solutions, and today we're going to be unboxing the Lowrance HDS 10. This is a 10-inch chart plotter from Lowrance. It is button assisted, and let's dive into this unboxing. Start by taking off our marketing wrap, and then you are left with a cardboard shipping box. When you flip this open, you have a little bit about Lowrance, where to find them on their social media, and also the information on getting help if you need help with your unit. They have a great support center. Then we have a cardboard siding here. We open this up. We have our mounting bracket. We have hardware. This would be for mounting the unit. This would be your knobs for your bracket, and then there's also some flush mount hardware in here. Documentation, and then your power cable, and then you are left with your unit. Can't forget your Lowrance sticker. So here's the HDS 10. And it comes with a screen protector installed on it, and I'll give you a little look at that. Now if we pop our screen protector off, we are left with the nice 10-inch display and button assist down the side. This display does have dual network ports, power port, 2 sonar ports, and your NEMA 2000. This is a fully networkable unit, so you can install multiple of these units. It does have a built-in GPS sensor, and you can find this on our website with a link below. I am Sean from Amped Up Marine Solutions, and thanks for watching.